When it's uphill, you don't stop. You don't stop. Keep going. This is major hill right there. Right here, boy. Now that's what you call beauty. Look at this. Oh, look how beautiful that is, guys. Is it even edible? Rich, why don't you try eat it?
I'm good.
Take a bite out of it.
You try. It looks edible. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry. But look, it's right there. Kua. Who's all the other kids, friends?
Look at that.
Easy. No sweat. No sweat.
We're actually making our own trail over here, so. Oh my God, guys. One of the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Woohoo! That is beautiful. Yep, we found it after 5 miles. Here we are, just for the mushroom. Right now it's humid. Woo! Killer! Downhill! Don't stop!